Side by side, all of these interactive display systems look the same, but how do they really perform? The Sharp AQUOS Board interactive display is equipped with a superior proprietary screen coating and pen tip, providing a natural pen-on-paper user experience. Other display screens may feel too resistant or too slippery. There can be a noticeable difference between a touchpoint and where digital ink appears. Sharp's highly accurate integrated touch technology is specifically engineered and manufactured for accuracy and longevity. Our proprietary anti-fingerprint coating keeps your screen looking fresh even after hours of use. And when light is your biggest enemy, our display counteracts with a superior anti-glare coating, leaving the competition far, far behind. Not all touchscreens are created equal. Experience the AQUOS Board advantage.